What is going on, guys? And after a long departure from our homeboys, such a sad day, you know, we're finally gonna go head to Randy's house. It's been like fucking forever, guys. Today Josh is about to do his oil change, so we're gonna try to get some content out of that. But if you see that, it's only 2:42 in the afternoon and it is hot, 103. Texas, you're killing me today, bro. I got my little nifty straw hat on. Hopefully that blocks some sun rays. But let's go check out what the guys are doing. We gotta stay hydrated, right, guys? So we're about to pick up some Gatorades. Hopefully a couple. Can I get two blue ones? Yeah. Yeah. I didn't mention this before. It is fucking boiling hot outside. So hot. The long lost Daddy Josh. Oh my God, look at him. He's going under the car. Wish he went under me. Faggot. What the fuck is that?
That fucking oil filter. Because
damn, Josh, wait up. I interrupt you.
What?
How long has it been since you've seen me?
2 weeks.
Right, it's been a long time, right?
2 weeks is not a long time.
It is a long time for me, Daddy. But damn.
Fuck. Holy fuck.
I know, right? I mean, fuck, man.
It's all sentimental and shit. Yeah, I'm gonna paint these white. My new wheels.
Bitch, you ain't painting shit. The fuck?
No, I'm gonna cop some wheels.
For real?
Yeah. First name specs. I'm gonna run the 11s.
11s?
Yeah,
Get the fuck out of
I
here.
wanna go wider.
Bitch, what are you gonna do with this? Like these old, barely clear.
Fucking cut it.
Go wide body on the fucking LS.
Because everyone's going wide body. Wide body and the roof spoiler.
The roof spoiler?
Go like that. I think that looks sick.
Dude, I miss seeing this thing.
Oh, Randy said the same shit. He said, I ain't gonna lie.
It looks so fucking good. Dude, it looks so good right now. Like,
I'm gonna keep it this color. I'm fuck black, dude. I'm gonna save some money, get that.
look how fucking clean it looks.
I like the two-tone. It's just nice.
Yeah.
Like that.
Damn, fool, you dripping oil on Randy's fucking floor, bro.
What the fuck?
Look at that shit.
Don't tell me this is the cracked one.
No, it's not.
It's not?
Damn. You fucked up, bro.
It's okay.
Look at that fucking boss butt.
All I gotta say is fucking Randy sweating.
I'm a snitch on you, bro. Motherfucker drove his car illegally over here. I'm calling HOA on his bitch ass. We're gonna go see if we can go find Randy. Hopefully his room is not dark or else he's gonna blend in. Damn, the subby. Keto! Why you inside? Why you not outside in the 103-degree weather? Okay, nigga. Sabay. What you doing, man?
Staying in the AC while Josh dies.
He spilled oil all over your floor.
For real?
Yeah. So we found Randy. Now.
You need to buy the hydraulic fucking thing for the hood.
Now I have to hold up his fucking hood open.
Hydraulics for like 2 sumos and shit like this shit.
You know what I kind of?
Huh?
Yeah, nigga Merca.
Yeah,
You see my flag?
Oh, Daiso fucking shit.
Yeah, that shit already ripped. You know how it has the suction cups?
I threw one
Like-
and can I put it up on the screen? It's like, I'm like, bro, this is the cheapest fucking shit ever.
I was like, man, I should have just spent fucking $10 on a good one. A Dickies brand at Walmart,
Yeah.
shit was $10. I was like, man, fuck.
It's okay. It made the floor look nice.
Huh?
It made the floor look nice.
All rainbowy and shit.
Yeah. Careful, hot boy. I swear, fucking niggas these days are flakers, bro. Niggas these days are flakers.
Why you say that?
Because the guy offered me 300 for the Dubai wheels. I'm like, yeah, come get them. Like, when are you available? Some guy offered me like 700 for the Enzas. I'm like, yeah, come get them. Never messed me back after that.
I'm like, man, Randy gonna be rich again.
No, I'm about to have more money. I'm about to have money again, but no. And the old owner of the GS might come buy it.
For real?
Yeah, like the first owner.
What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode with your boy Cisco and Joshua. Today, we are going to get alignment done on his LS. You speeding, boy?
Yeah, there's cops everywhere too.
Yeah, I know, I bet. So, Josh, tell him where we're going today.
We're going to Chio's alignment. Yeah.
Yay! So, for everybody that doesn't know Mr. Joshua, he drives a LS400. Hey!
What the fuck? She got a rice hat on.
And she parked all stupid in the middle of the road.
She Asian, nigga.
What the fuck? That's how you know they can't drive and shit.
Asians. Especially with rice hats, you can't trust them.
Where we going right now?
To go get boba.
Oh, about to get that boba life. I like to suck balls through straws.
Black took for balls.
Yeah. Damn, when you try to go get boba and you see an RXX, chillin'. Just got our boba from fucking, I don't know how you say that. Don't man. Well, yeah, that shit hella good. So we ended up meeting the dude with that owned that RX-7. I mean, we ended up meeting the dude that owns the RSX. Pretty chill dude, pretty chill. Hopefully he subscribes to the channel. You know, give me a thumbs up. Push the subscribe button. Do it now! Done with the alignment. It's fucking 100 degrees outside. It is super hot, and Joshua won't turn on the AC, man. He's torturing me.
Fuck you. You need to lose weight anyways, bitch.
Oh man, this is not a fucking sauna, bro. Why do you want me to sweat so much?
Can be.
Ooh, you trying to make it steamy with me? So how's the car feel?
Dude, watch this. It feels so fucking nice. I'm not fighting my car anymore.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, Geo shop was pretty cool. They had a bunch of nice cars in there.
Works pretty fast. And it does a good job.
Yeah.
So I recommend anyone that has lower cars, go to Geo Shop.
Yeah,
Links below.
There won't be no links. But yeah, if you're in the DFW area and you have a lowered car, Geo Shop over here in Arlington is the place to go. It's a nice shop. The AC worked very well in there. They have couches.
Comfy casting couch.
Casting couch. I kind of took a nap on it. Josh tried to touch me in the wrong way, but I said no means no. We're gonna go stop by QT or something, go get something to drink because it's too goddamn hot to be rolling around. And I rolled up the window.
Yeah, roll that shit down.
Hell no, I'm good.
It's a QT.
When I hear music, it makes me dance. You got the music, now here's your
My daddy Josh just brought me safely back home. Yeah, car looking good. Look at that. Look at this bad influence. I'm gonna show your mom this.
Go ahead.
Nigga, how you gonna keep my lighter though?
Oh,
You a hoe ass nigga.
so I can borrow some more.
You can buy some more? Okay, here,
No,
keep
I'm
it.
just kidding.
Keep it.
No,
Keep it.
I don't need it.
Okay, end the video, bitch.
What? Oh, all right. Like, subscribe. Fuck. Like, comment, subscribe.